My next targets on Dogecoin is 17619 and 16917. Those are where my next limit orders are. We had a uptrend. We were watching these supports, support. I was actually on the 1 hour time frame. I'm on the 4 hour right now. But I was watching this uptrend. We broke that to the downside, and ever since then we've been getting resistance pushing us down, and we came down, hit my first target at 18859, the 38% level of the Fibonacci retracement chart. This one is the 50% level, and this one is the previous bottom. So those are where my targets are kind of coming from, and I'll show you where I got the Fibonacci retracement here in a second. But we've been kind of trading in this area. Actually, we've been getting a little bit of support kind of going sideways. I was kind of wondering if we can keep going sideways and maybe break out of this downtrend right here. If we do, then I'll be targeting this red line again, sitting at around 204, which is the 23% level of the Fibonacci retracement chart. And the way I got the Fibonacci retracement chart, if you haven't watched my videos before, we have an uptrend. It's the Fibonacci strategy, I guess you could say. If we have an uptrend, we're looking at this trend right here, and if we break that trend going to the upside, or if we start testing it, then we could set up the Fibonacci retracement tool right here, drag from the bottom to the top, and then that gives you these levels. So 23% down from the top is 203.98, and then 38% down is 18837. 50% down is 17589, and 61%, I think that's what it is 16323, or approximately. Those are approximate numbers. You should check it out on TradingView, and this is just how to do that. So yeah, those are where I'm getting those numbers from. The main thing that I'm watching right now is this downtrend right here. Resistance, like I was saying, gives me a downtrend. If we could break this trend going to the upside, then I'm going to be looking at that Fibonacci retracement level again, because we got resistance over here and pretty much over here too. I mean, we tried to come back up, and right here we got the resistance though, and in general I think it'd be a good level to watch, as well as if we go to the 4 hour time frame, or actually, yeah, it is. This looks pretty decent on the 4 hour. All right, so we have this resistance right here and resistance right here. I'm watching this big downtrend, and until we break this, then I think it's possible that it's going to give us trouble. Or once we do break this, then I think it'll be a good sign. But let's say we come up right here, we hit this red line, and then start testing this bigger downtrend. I think this is going to give us some trouble and might push us down possibly. That's why I would say maybe target this. Maybe we have to spend some more time in this resistance and support area before we can break to the upside or to the downside. I was thinking to the triangle kind of ends somewhere around April 22nd or 23rd. The 23rd is on this side and the 22nd is on this side. So by then, we should know if we're breaking to the upside or to the downside. And yeah, so we have to break one of these levels. The other level that I was watching is the bottom, pretty much, which is support in this bigger time frame, and we have this big bottom. Hopefully we can, I don't know, what I'm thinking is, and I've talked about this on my last videos, hopefully we can come down here, hit that bottom trend line, and then get a bounce to the upside, break through this, and then continue on the bull market. But we have to kind of wait and see what's happening. Right now, I do think that we are coming down to these levels down here at 17619 and 16917. But I did put in limit orders because I'm dollar cost averaging on the way down and playing off these Fibonacci retracement levels. So let's say we break out of here. I already bought this level right here as a limit order, so I'm already have a good position to try to get profits in this area if we can get a bounce right here. And check it out, I mean, we did kind of catch like some support in this area, which is kind of interesting because I called this out the other day, you know what I'm saying? So the next level I think that we're going to get support on, possibly the same way that we did here, is maybe this level, and then maybe dip down, and then hopefully we could bounce out. But we don't know. It's possible that we break down still, or possible we break out of here. trying to just cover all my bases in general. That's what I'm doing per se, and this is just what I'm looking at and how I go about it. Just basically watching the trends. We're just watching the bottoms when we're going up, and then when we're going down, we're watching the tops. We want to see if we could break that top, and then we want to see if we could break or not. We want to watch for when it breaks that bottom, and then we can start figuring out what if we're going up or we're going down. That's basically all we're trying to do here, is see whether we're going up or we're going down. Right now it seems like we're going down, but we are testing this little level, and I don't know, these Fibonacci levels do come in very, very handy, as you can see, or if you've been following my videos. And if you're not following videos, you should subscribe. But I think that about does it. So if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.